Hi friends, how are you doing? Are you hanging in there? Okay, I'm gonna try and distract you for just a couple of minutes. I've been meaning to mend a lot of things, so what better time than now? Oh geez. So today I'm going to teach you how to sew on a button. The things that you're gonna need are a needle, a button. It doesn't have to be this big. It could be smaller. Some thread and something to sew it on. So gather your things and let's go make something. So before we get started, I want to show you an easy way to tie a knot. Take your thread, wrap it around your fingertip a couple of times, and then roll it off. Pinch and then pull the cluster of thread all the way to the very end. Now you're ready to sew on a button. Once you've pulled your knotted thread through, pull your needle through one of the eyes of your button. Now go to the eye across and all the way through to the back. We're making an X for a four-eyed button, so come up, across, and instead of going all the way to the back, go through, but stay on the top side. Take your needle and push halfway through. And now take the thread from the end that's coming out of your garment and loop it over the tip of the needle once or twice. Pull it through and pull it tight. Snip, snip the extra, and just like that, you sewed a button.